I'm going to be using the following items. These are all from the Dollar Tree. So we have this bowl here. I'm just gonna pull this sticker out. So I'm gonna paint this over with some Mod Podge and then cover it with this glitter. The bottom is not really that important because we're really just focusing on the part we can see. I'm sharing two centerpieces today that are the most basic of all centerpieces, I think. This first one is just focusing on this bowl here, just to show that you can use any base to hold a floral arrangement. And this, being from the Dollar Tree, was very inexpensive. The bowl is quite large and definitely very plain as it's plastic, but by using the Mod Podge and the glitter, you can glam it up a little bit, give it a little bit of character, and it was just for a very inexpensive price. So just showing how you can do something very easy to give your table some life at your wedding. Starting with these two very simple centerpieces and then moving on to the next few that'll be a little bit more complex, but still not too much. So I'm just gonna let this dry, and then I'm gonna come back and put another coat of the Mod Podge over it. The second layer of Mod Podge is like a sealant so that the glitter doesn't get all over everything. I'm just going to use this old piece of styrofoam. It's been well loved. And I'm going to take these flowers. Just going to cut the stems off of the bushel. And there it is. This is the final result. For the second centerpiece, I'm starting out with this charger. I picked this one up at the Goodwill, but you can find them at the Dollar Tree. And I'm using these battery operated candles. They're made out of real wax. And then I'm adding these floral pieces. This is a very basic centerpiece, as I mentioned before. You can always use real candles and just scatter around whatever color florals you like. And you have a simple yet elegant centerpiece.